Alright guys, we're doing a part 2 on the growing a chicken farm or whatever, chicken farm. We're doing a part 2 on this. And yeah, this time we're going to try and beat the game. Hopefully we do. But yeah, enjoy. I have my brothers here with me again, bro. Oh, lucky block. Can open that. Can we? Yeah. Yeah. That'll be. Wait, Brayton, what's your best chicken? You need to start grinding, little bro. Okay. Brayton, go over there, collect your eggs. Go look, step on them. Okay, now go back. Go to the yellow step. No, the yellow step. That way. That thing. No, get out of that one. Yes, and now go over there. Step on that and it gives you money. And look, down here you have money. Oh, yeah. Let me just... Brian, you have so much chicken? I just spent a lot of my money getting stuff. Jeremy, look at my chicken farm. Did it just merge? Oh my god, bro. Yeah. Go step on them. Go step on them. Brian, once you get older, you're gonna become way better at Roblox. Oh, Brian, the worst thing I have right now is a bee.
The worst thing I have is basic. The worst thing I have right now is level 1.
Wait, no, the worst thing I have right now is a duck. I was the first one to get a duck.
I was the third.
Alright.
I got a bee and a regular chicken. No! So what's up?
Oh my fucking.
Yo, it's so laggy. The eggs aren't even dropping anymore. The eggs weren't even dropping. I have to claim it.
Oh my god, what happened?
What?
I just bought a bunch of chickens and then they all disappeared. Bro. Okay. There we go.
Right here. Oh, yeah. That's $15.
Bro, why does it keep restarting me?
Oh, I have more chickens. Let's go.
Buy 25. I'm gonna buy another 25. Okay, I'm just gonna let that farm up for a bit.
So much chicken.
No, I accidentally merged it.
Jack, how much eggs do you have?
Huh?
How much eggs do you have?
How much do you have?
275,000.
I have 235.
I hate this.
Why?
I have way too much eggs. I'm gonna have to go and reset this.
You don't have that much eggs, Brayton. You know how you just had 1,000? Now I have 60.
Yeah, because I keep on resetting it. I won't have
Brayton.
like a lot.
There you go.
Oh, I just got a new chicken.
Let me see. He got a... You didn't get a new chicken, you just got...
No, I got that one.
That's not a new chicken, that's an old one.
I just got
It
it.
has two. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
I have 450,000.
I had ice cream earlier. I'm just kidding, I didn't.
Oh, I got a lucky block! I got a lucky block!
Grab it. Oh, Brayton, you can't get it right now? Yeah, you can. It costs money to open it. You gotta do. Oh my god! How do you do that? He just pulled a dummy out of a common lucky block.
I've done that before.
Yeah, but his best thing is now a tier 6, and his best thing before was a tier 4.
Oh, we skipped the level.
Oh my god, Brayton!
Oh, another one.
Go get your money.
I might be.
Brayton, you're rich. No, you can't do that. You have to pay money for
I'm
it.
rich.
Go collect your eggs, bro. You can. Oh my. Go collect your eggs, Brayton. Oh my god, and you got a mushroom. Collect your eggs. Collect your eggs.
Oh my god. So
You have 7,000.
oh, Jimmy, I got a mushroom one.
It's still nothing compared to my stuff, but okay, you got that much, bro. I got 500,000 eggs right now.
Oh, I got a mushroom and it gave me 300.
Wait, I'm gonna save up for 1,000,000 eggs.
Easy
1,000,000 eggs, bro.
Easy boost right there? I've got an easy boost.
Oh my, there's so much.
I'm saving up, bro.
That's so much egg.
You don't have that much eggs, though, bro.
Yo, look at my egg.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I know, but that's the most eggs I've ever had.
I had 2 villagers.
Oh, I got another lucky block. Unlock.
He's not that good, but he's still kind of good.
Dude, this is the best
I'm basically broke right now. Yeah.
But Zach, you're richer than me. I'm hitting unlock.
No.
Another lucky block. I'm hitting unlock though. Yeah, I keep on hitting unlock.
Oh my, Brayton, what did I tell you before? You need $400 to open that lucky block.
Wait, how much?
$400.
400.
I need 100,000. When you just collect your money, now you can just click it. Click unlock.
That's a lot they have to get. 400.
What did I get?
Yeah.
Oh, Zach. Oh my god, bee chicken. Oh, more money.
Hey, yo, Jeremy! It was once you said I have 1,000,000 eggs.
Okay, Zach, another one?
Brayton, look how much eggs I have. Yo. Brayton, I have 1,000,000 eggs. Brayton, look. I have 1,000,000.
Oh, hallelujah. Yo, unlock this. Oh, no, I can't.
You do? Nice, you can shoot your pants now. Yeah? You heard me.
Oh, Zach, I'm 400. I'm 400. It's so many.
458. That's just 463. What do you mean? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to swear, guys. I didn't mean to swear.
Oh, I got another bee.
It was $1,000,000 to open. No,
Thank you for the free dummy.
Jeremy, how much money do you have?
I just sent it, so it's 44.
Alright. Okay.
And I have 150.
Well, if I quit that, I shouldn't be able to unlock this. Okay, free dummy?
Yo, Zach.
Oh, Zach, I got a mushroom chicken.
Nice.
I'm about to get Tina.
I've had 2 villages though.
I don't know.
Zach, I have 2 blue lucky blocks.
Nice.
Okay, I'm saving.
Oh my god, I have so much lucky blocks I have to open. Close to what? Pooping your pants?
I'm close to getting
Oh. Oh. I'm kind of rich. I'm gonna let that stock up for a bit. Jeremy, it's been 2 seconds and I'm already rich. Well, it's gonna stop. my god, I'm rich, bro. I can't pick up those lucky blocks. They're too rich for me. Oh. Bro, it costs $5 million to open it. But you don't have $5 million?
We got you there.
No, those are cheap ass ones.
I have that in my coffee.
I can afford those any day, bro. It's like 2,000. Oh, fucking B.
Does the bee suck? Because I got like 70 bees.
No, you don't.
Then burn.
No, 70 bees.
You do not have 70, little poopy. Little poop.
Zach, do you have enough for this lucky block?
Huh?
Okay, can I put this down? Zach, do you know how I put this down?
I'm so close to getting.
It's gone.
Oh my god.
Just, yes. Yeah. Oh my god, Brayton, that lucky block I can't afford either.
This I can afford.
Yeah, this lucky block I can't afford. It's $5
Got
million.
another bee.
I just got my first $1 million.
Yo, what do you do when I see? I'm sorry.
A place where I can go.
Okay, I'm getting a bunch of
Let
them.
me more. Wait, bro, I'm about to get the elite villager. Wait, this is
What?
I'm trying to merge. I'm trying to get a level 9.
Zach, I'm actually like. Zach, this is like the best I've ever gotten.
Yeah, because we played the game
I got a
like,
tier 6.
yesterday.
This game is awesome.
Yeah. Sorry for swearing again, guys. I didn't mean to swear. Sorry to my parents if you guys are watching this. Sorry. I did not mean to swear. Same as my last video, the part 1.
And this is part 2.
Yeah, this is part 2.
Okay, I have way too much energy.
Sorry for sniffling so much, guys. I'm just sick.
Okay, please get. Oh, I got a lucky block that I can afford. Oh, blue lucky block that I can afford.
Oh,
Can I afford it?
oh,
Can I afford it?
oh. It's $30,000.
I can afford this.
Yeah, Brayton. Yeah, you're not even close to affording that one. Brayton, look how much eggs I have. No way, I just want to click the button.
Yo, I'm waiting a minute. Oh no, I'm not.
Wait, how much villagers do you have? I have 2 as well.
I have another bee. I'm getting so much bees from.
Bees are
yellow.
booty.
One, still making money. And more eggs.
Come.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Brayton. Oh.
Oh!
Wait, what if I buy it again? Wait, I need to collect my eggs. Oh my god, my game is so laggy. Brayton, ready? Brayton, I need you to look. Quick. No! You didn't look in time. Brayton. Ready? I'm doing it again. Brayton!
Oh my god.
No, if I buy it one more time, it just resets. And I just lost a bunch of money for no
I
reason.
have to collect all of these. Fine.
Oh, I got a goose. It's just butt.
I get another feature. I'll take it down. I'll take it down. You know what? I need to.
Just like that, discard it.
Zach, I'm kind of rich. Come
You're
on,
not
baby.
even kind of rich. The richest person in the game has more than $1 billion. Dummies suck, bro.
No, because Zach, I need those to get my. If you think about it, I need
No, I
those
said
to
that like
get
4 seconds
my
ago.
other stuff. And then I'll tell you.
Zach, this is so annoying. Every second, you have like 1 million eggs.
Not every second.
I know, but like, you have a lot of eggs.
Dude, will summer camp boring without me alone today?
Oh my god!
I didn't even want. Oh, he's eating like pancake tables and then he's what? Like he looked at me and then I was getting my towel and I looked up and he's gone.
Like, he just left.
Like he was there for literally less than 10 seconds. Not even trying to be funny.
Literally left.
Less than 10 seconds.
9 seconds?
10.
Oh, I got another villager. I have 3 villagers. How did I get that?
Merge it.
Oh, I got a fat.
I'm like, bummy. Merge it.
Yo, what the
Okay, I have
Yo,
a
it gets
whole
burgers. 60,000 eggs.
60,000?
I need that now.
I'm not even close to 60,000 because I
No,
just...
per one. Like per one.
Merge. Buy another 25, then merge it.
Oh!
Buy
A
another
blue lucky
25,
block.
then
Zach,
merge it.
enough? Enough?
Yes, I finally got the fat one. What I did is I went over to 25 ones and I just started spamming that
Zach, do you
number.
have enough?
Oh. That's 34,000.
No, no, go.
My brother's trying to afford a $34,000 lucky block.
I got a mushroom, Zach. What? How do you get that? Oh, you got
It's
it.
only $100,000. So what you're gonna want to do for money if you're kind of rich like me, you're gonna go over here, buy 25 and then merge it off. Which is actually good.
Oh my god, I'm starting to get a lot of eggs.
Sorry for sniffling again, but I'm kind of sick.
Bro, you said that probably like 4 times.
I know, I'm sorry. I need to start saving on my money. I'm just spending it like it's nothing.
Yeah, same. Like if a yellow lucky block.
Oh my god, Britain. It's a you chicken. Oh my god.
It's Donna.
Oh, what?
Oh, a mushroom. Here we go, a bunch. I'll take it. That's so yellow in the I just got an egg butter chicken with inside of it. Another one.
What do you mean?
Okay, blue lucky block is coming. So?
I can afford the blue lucky block. I know. I need to start saving on my cash more, bro.
Yeah. But Zach, I got 40
Eggs?
Zach,
That's light work.
Zach,
I know, but I just like selected
Zach, is 40K good for a 6-year-old?
Brian, I know 6-year-olds that will have a septillion. They're better than us because they already started. Mercy? Let me buy 25. I have 11K. I mean, yeah, but I have 500,000 eggs. I just now I have $300,000.
Wait, hold on, shut up.
Do you have enough?
could like get enough.
Okay, yellow one.
Yes.
Let's go.
Nah, I don't think it's worth
You can't. You need another 4 million.
23 million. That's not that hard. Not that hard.
I haven't even reached 1 mil. Yo, Jeremy, show me your secrets. How are you getting so much? Huh?
Already 200,000.
200,000 is
Put
bought.
that in there. No, but I just keep doing the same method. Claim that. Already get 8 million. And then you look at this, and now I have no eggs because it's so fast. I just upgrade that. I upgraded that a lot because it was going to so slow. I had 2 million inside the pouch. So
It says 6,000 per second for me. What about you?
47.
Huh?
47,000.
Hey, if you paying to win my food.
I'm not paying to win.
I'm in debt now. You can't. I didn't. I just merged them, Brian. Click, Brian. Click that. Oh yeah, I already see a lot of improvements. I'm already at 1 mil. Should I call Odin? Jeremy. Julio's with the group for the rest of the week.
Julio?
Yeah. You wanna know why? Because the kid chucked a rock on my back and now I have a mark on my back and it hurts tremendously. And he was throwing rocks at Odin too. Remember when we used to think our dirt lucky blocks were good? Okay. Remember, bro? I can't afford the red ones yet.
I upgraded the bites again.
What bites?
I get ducks instead of basics.
Wait, where'd you buy that?
So basically, on like the right, the top right of the map, you'll see the little thing. It's like 10 million.
What little thing? What little thing?
I'm gonna come to you.
The top right? What do you mean? Upgrade bites here?
Yeah,
Wait, how did...
basically, it's like how much like. So basically, I just.
I'm trying to spam this. Right now, on my thing right there, it says 100,000. Is that good? What about you?
I got 2 goose and chicken.
So you basically just spam the 100 a bunch. Okay, I just got another $1 million. The lucky blocks are basically like the best thing, bro. Cause like you open the lucky block, you get a bunch of things. Or I can just spam buy 25 and then merge.
No, I can't afford the yellow one.
I cannot claim it.
villager. I've got a dummy, which is butt. The dummies are butt cheeks now.
They're okay.
Yeah, but
Our
we...
best is a team now.
Wait, do you have a villager yet? Like with your same? So we're like the same level, but you have more money.
Oh, no, and I have.
Do I just need to keep on claiming my eggs?
So basically what happens is, you know how you transform a duck into a classic into a duck?
Yeah, do you just need to merge
that? You need to do that however many times it says on it. So it just you know how auto merges 100?
Yeah.
So I just keep spinning that. You only get 100 ducks, and they all just form into 50. They all just form into a finish.
Okay, nice. Hmm. Yeah.
You haven't come to mine.
Britton, look how much chickens I have. Yeah. Okay.
Right now I have to do duck into dirt 300,000 times.
I'm almost there, bro. So I can get the merge. How much money does the merge cost? Yeah. Like, to get the dog. $10 million. I'm broke. If you have 10 mil, you're not. If you have 10 mil somehow, you cheated.
I swear to
That
God.
quick. Am I just blind? Am I not seeing money that's right in front of me? I'm doing the method though. Hold on. Hold on, let me see your screen. Go over to the money making machine.
Yeah.
How do you only have 50K? And I have 131,000. Dad! Yeah, how are you making so much money?
Per second. That's just how much it goes per second. Like, watch. If I do this, that's how much it's doing per second.
Yeah, look at me.
I know, here's how fast it goes.
I know.
That doesn't do anything for the money.
It means I get my money faster, but you somehow have more money than me.
You spend so much money.
Yeah, I know. What's the method?
Okay, watch my screen. Go into this. Go around here. Merge. Deposit. Go here. And then just keep recycling.
So just go in a circle. Wait, what are you doing? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because you need to deposit your eggs to get money. The yellow platform. Yes, you do. Not that one. This one. Now it's instruction. Silencio oro.
You are too fast.
How?
I don't know, I just realized. I don't know how you think I did it.
No. I I broke, little
How
bro.
much money?
6 Robux.
No, like how much money is it?
Uh,
I got 12 Robux.
2 million.
I got 12 Robux.
You got what?
12.
I spending a ton of my money. Sweet villager, thank you. God, my luck is insane.
I don't even have 2 factories.
I'm getting 4 little lucky blocks.
I'm gonna come to your guys' base because I don't want to do
Until your thing starts getting laggy and then you need to go back.
Hold on, my thing's already laggy, dude. Hold on, let me get
Just click home at the top of your screen.
Oh, my thing's kind of fun.
You're still at my base because of how laggy you are.
No, it's I can see it
Look, I'm repeating the cycle and it's not working.
now. Wait, so what's your best thing? Oh, mine's so laggy, bro. Oh, your best thing is... Oh, Brayton! Lydia! No, Brayton's cooking, bro. His best thing is a goose, bro. Good.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
How is
Yo!
he? What?
Yo, it's so much stuff, bro. I have already 1 million eggs.
1 million eggs is kind of easy.
I know, but like, I just
I can afford a lot of stuff.
Thank
I get dummies out of Lucky Blocks just like that.
Well, I got villages.
If I get one more dummy, I can literally get another villager. Yes! Finally. Alright, 2 villagers. I'm about to get a fat bro, finally. Okay, I'm just gonna let my egg stock up for a minute. Hear me?
Yeah, go clean it.
I just merged it all. It's all like +1s. Yeah, I have 1.5 million eggs.
Well, this game is actually kind of hard.
Right, it's getting harder. At first it was easy. It was simple. Collect egg, deposit egg, get money. How do I make it so the chicken spits stuff out faster?
You can't.
Auto collect?
Yeah, that's what.
I know. I want to buy it so bad, but I don't have enough Robux. I'll have enough Robux next month, so. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. We're gonna make a part 3 soon. Like and sub.